Close all background tools. Exit programs like Cheat Engine, macro tools, auto clickers, script apps, debuggers, mod loaders, emulators, FPS unlockers, or memory editors. Even if you're not using them, just having them open can trigger the warning. 2. Disable overlays and injectors. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, MSI Afterburner Ribatuner, screen recorders, and any software that hooks into games. 3. Check antivirus and security software. Some antivirus programs interfere with the game's anti-cheat. Temporarily disable antivirus or add the game folder to exclusions. Restart your PC after doing this. 4. Use only the official game client. Reinstall the game from official sources only, Steam's official launcher. Do not use modified launchers, cracked files, or unofficial patches. 5. Verify game files. If using Steam, verify integrity of game files to remove corrupted or modified files. 6. Restart your system. A fresh reboot clears hidden background services that may still be running. 7. Contact official support if nothing works. If you never use cheats and the issue continues, submit a support ticket with screenshot of the warning, your system details, confirmation that no third-party tools are running. This is usually a false positive and can be resolved by support.